it's me, Bacon Lover Gaming here, and today I'm doing something a little different. So I just got a package, well, my family did, got a package from Amazon, and it's airsoft guns, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Why do they package with these?
It is adult bubble wrap.
Oh yeah, adult bubble wrap.
Hey, they almost gave
Adult bubble wrap. Here, let me pass this to person.
Okay, I'm person.
Here's some more adult bubble wrap.
Ooh, adult bubble wrap.
Alright, sweet. These actually come in their own little package things. Got airsoft gun. Comes with a suppressor type thing. It says compensator on the box, but it's designed like a suppressor. But it comes with 800 BBs, plastic, not metal. It comes with an extra magazine as well as the one already in the gun. And I don't know if I already said this, but we got 2 of them. So, here's the second one. So, I will now proceed to attempt to open one. Hold on. Alright, so, always remember to, be careful, especially if you're handling scissors. Of course, this is one of the few packages that it seems you don't actually need scissors for, because it just pops. Oh, that sounds so bad, but it's actually opening, so. Alright, and then other side. Alright, now that this is open, I can actually show you the actual gun. So, it's got this little barrel attachment right here, which actually makes these guns very, very accurate. And you've got the little threading, like a screw, for said barrel attachment. And it's very simple, just screws on if I can. Big brain, use it. Oof. Don't want to break it, but. Ah, there we are. So yes. And then there's a little switch right here that lets the magazine out. Now, something that's cool about these guns is they have a little magazine well thing. It's like a little ammo reserve. So on top of the 12 to 11 shots it already holds, you can very quickly reload the gun by just, if you've already filled this, you can shake the magazine with the little spring already pulled down. Now, let me grab a pack of these. Alright, so these are actually glow-in-the-dark BBs. So, oof. Alright. Anyways, so these also are meant to contrast. So, let's see what the other ones are. Alright, so these are just plain blue. So basically, like, let's say you're playing on grass. You don't want dull green. The one of the worst colors you can get is dull green. You want orange, blue, red, stuff that contrasts well. Now, thank you for watching. This was Bacon Lover Gaming. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.